In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana for work organization. If you're new to Asana, this setup will help you build a clean foundation so your tasks, projects, and notifications are easier to manage from the beginning. We'll walk through the essential first steps to make your workspace feel organized and practical right away. To begin, go to asana.com and sign up using your work email address. Using your work email is important because Asana can automatically connect you with your company's organization if one already exists. If not, it can help create the right organizational environment for your team. As you go through sign up, follow the prompts on screen and complete the basic account setup. Keep your information professional and work related so everything stays aligned with your company's structure. Once you're inside Asana, the next thing to set up is your My Tasks view. This is one of the most useful areas in the platform because it acts like your personal command center for incoming work. Organize your tasks into sections such as today, upcoming, and later. This gives you a simple way to separate urgent work from tasks that can wait. Today should hold the items you plan to focus on right away. Upcoming can be used for work that needs attention soon, and later is helpful for lower priority items that you still want to keep visible. Taking a moment to structure this area now can make daily planning much easier. After that, create your first team space and begin setting up your core projects. This is where your ongoing work will live. So think about the main workflows your team needs to track. Asana allows you to use either list view or board view for projects. List view is often better if you prefer a more traditional, detailed task layout, while board view works well for visual workflows where tasks move through stages. Choose the format that best matches how your team naturally works. The goal here is to create a project structure that feels intuitive and easy to maintain. Finally, adjust your notification preferences by going to Profile Settings and then Notifications. This step is easy to overlook, but it can make a big difference in your experience. Limiting unnecessary email updates helps reduce distraction and keeps your